To see some can't wait to see you shine and be the brightest star. We love you. Team Rain Chalon Ambagan. Oh. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna use this. Thank you. Wow. Ow. Thank you po. Thank you. Okay. Teka lang. Ano ba? Ito. Okay po. Okay. So we got... Ano ito? Teka lang guys ha.
Baliktad.
Oh. It's a letter. Should I read the letter to them? Sige. Letters are you know, for personal.
I'm gonna read it later.
I'm gonna read it with my own piece. Thank you po! Taka man. Okay. Unbox natin to. Okay, let's go. Happy 18th birthday, Rina Jan. We love you, Peer Me. From Kairen de Lolo Bog Official. Okay, Marivic Mashi Sugar Tata. Hey. Okay Wow. Thank you guys. Thank you. Wow, Cap. Thank you. Okay. I will use this, guys. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Ay, ba yun? Next po, meron tayo. This is from him. Ito naman po. Ay, hindi. Iba talaga. Okay. Meron din tayong bracelets. Oh. Yeah. Hello, from who? You know who you are. Thank you. Let's open that. Oh! Brother, you're gonna like this. Woo!
Ala, natupad talaga.
Thank you! We want this! Thank you po.
Ano natupad? Hindi mo ba?
Hello.
Hindi. Tinatag ko ni Hershey.
Thank you po. Oh my gosh! Thank you! Mag-play kami ng brothers ko nito talaga. May game pa. Hey! Thank you po! Wow!
Yung isa.
Bro, thank you po.
Binili ko.
Okay, bro. Thank you, guys. Next. Parang ayaw niya mag-open. Oh my God! Yung ba? Ay!
Yung case lang yun?
Ay, case na pala yun! Thank you po! Wow! I'm so excited talaga. I'm gonna use this. Thank you. Legit, I'm gonna use this, bro.
Totoo talaga yung
In my ganap, I'm gonna bring this with me all the time. Gusto ko to eh. I will buy this time.
Ay, di mo iwan sa amin? Joke lang.
Thank you po! Thank you! Wow! Okay, next. 2 OT4 leaf clover quadro Blackpink and Cebu Rain Hershey Sensei. It's for us 4 from AV Team Rain QC. Hello, it's for us 4. Yay! It's for us 4. Okay, I will read this kasi quick line. Paano ba ito i-open? Ay, sorry. Ay, ingay. Ay. Oy. It's a keychain. Clover leaf. Wait lang ha. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. So thoughtful. Inapil pa yung friends ko. Thank you. I love it. I'm gonna wear this. Thank you.
Yes.
Bro, my friends are gonna be so excited. Oh! What's this from? What's this from? Okay.
I don't know.
Wala eh. Ah! Thank you! Thank you po.
Wala nga letter dito.
Ay, baka meron din.
Alam ko meron yan eh. Meron yan.
Ah! From GD1, GD2, GD3. Hey, let's go! Ang crazy nyo talaga. Ah! Thank you po. Lahat ng plano ko bilhin, it's already here, bro. Thank you, guys. Ang smart niyo talaga. Thank you po. Thank you po. Bunso, to complement our iPad gift here, the pocket Wi-Fi. Love you, Ate Ann. Bunso daw?
Ano yan?
A pocket Wi-Fi?
Pocket Wi-Fi talaga.
Look, kailangan ko din to. Thank you po. Bro. Thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you po. Thank you. To Rain Salmar from Miggy. Hello. Hey! It's my style. I love it. A jersey. Thank you. Yay, meron ako masuot. Thank you po.
Ganda.
Grabe ka.
Mag-artista na lang tayo, Kuya.
Ah. Ikaw yung mag-abot ng bouquet sa airport. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Nanood sila, iba?
Thank you guys. I'm so
Ilan views
blessed
pa
and
yun?
thankful po talaga. 16. My brother, say hi, brothers.
Hi, everyone!
Hey. Hey. Kuya, say hi.
Hi.
This one naman po. Walang nakasulat. Kaman, kaman. Ay, oh. Moto. Hey.
Yo.
Oh.
Wow. Ganda ang writing ah.
Very clean.
Hi, Bunso. Ah. Ah. Thank you po. Bakit walang from? Gusto ko manood kung sino ka. Sino ka? Thank you po. Okay, okay. Oh!
Game siya.
Hey, we
Kasi
like this.
18 ka na.
Uy. Hey!
Naman eh.
Wow, wow, wow. We like this. My brothers and my OT4 friends. Wow, perfect! Sabi ko kanina, kailangan ko pabango. Kasi kalimutan ko magdala pabango. Thank you po.
Ano pa ibang kailangan mo? Baka dating.
Uy!
Oo nga, sabihin mo. Baka
Huwag na.
Uy!
Mag-gin siya, mag-gin.
Ayaw nga.
Wait, tsaka man, I'm gonna smell po. Kasi I like perfumes eh. Huwag mo oh.
Ay, Versace.
Ba't parang nagreklamo sila? Oh! Mama, smell this, you like this.
Parang familiar yung amoy.
Bango.
I love it, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Grabe. Grabe, bro. Nakalimutan ko lang magdala ng perfume. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Tagging Nile Hershey Shamsay. Okay, okay. From Jarring Blues. From Jarring Blues na naman. Ay, from Jarring Blues po ito. Oh! That's it. Oh! Cute!
Ganda ng ano.
I will wear. I will use. Hala ka. Thank you po. Thank you, Jarring Boost. Thank you. Oh, hindi siya down. Ay, may letter din siya. Okay, I'll do this.
Oh
Perfect.
my
Bakit
gosh.
parang ang galing niyo, guys? Thank you po. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you po. Okay.
Hindi ko alam sino nagbigay. Pangalan, thank you na lang. Ayun na.
Uy.
Thank you.
Ay, ito po. Thank you. May nagbigay ng mga mango. Ay, kaya binigyan tayo ng mango? Ay, pinaglihid ako sa mango. Thank you po sa nagbigay ng mango. Titignan, try natin kung sweet or sour siya. Or both. Thank you sa nagbigay ng mango. Let's go! Thank you po. To Reina Jen from AV. Oh, she also gave kanina. Yung nagbigay ng OT4. Clover Friends. Help, brother.
Iyan naman na yan ibang...
Wait lang, asan na yun? Ay.
Siguro.
To Rain, happy 18th birthday. Ay, I'll open dito. Thank you po. Bisaya ka ba? Bisaya ako. The secret to saving and building your future. Thanks, guys. I need this. Kasi, parang crazy na eh. Thank you po. Hey. Oh, there's also letters. Yung letters po, guys, I will read in my personal time po. Kasi, maraming chismoso dito.
Wow.
Oh, thank you.
Apat lang kami. Marami din.
Thank you po.
Ito na, bukas na.
Thank you.
Wow!
I said, di ba? Gusto ko din. You know, I added to cart many neckties kasi I'm loving the necktie style right now. Thank you!
Alam nilang kailangan mo necktie.
Sige niyo suot sa pants niyo.
Na,
Ay, napansin nila isa na yung gamit.
bro, thank you!
Akin kayo.
Hala ko. Kasi isa lang necktie ko. Kinuha ko pag galing kay Juro.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you!
Relate.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Ang ganda pa ng design sa nature.
Nag-crave ko kasi.
Okay. Oy! Perfect! Oy!
Wow.
Meron akong ganito. Ganito na gano'n, pero hindi po. Oh, thank you.
Ano yan? Para sa...
Wala lang, ano. When you're feeling sad, you go like that. When you're feeling happy, you go like this, bro.
Oh!
Yes! Pero pag ano, may mga foodables.
Yan, pangbaon mo. Saan?
Ay! Ay, may lollipop pa. Wala ka, doy.
Tanggalin mo yung string.
I like lollipops. Thank you. At saka yung everything here. Oy!
Wow.
To Rain from Shaina Fuentes.
Wow.
Thank you, Oy, ka-cute! I'll put this in my room. Legit, malamang. Thank you. Aha!
Dami mo na sa room.
I like lamps din kasi. Kaya kita niyo yung room ko. I like little lights. Kasi ayoko yung big light eh. So some. Thank you po. Maraming snacks. It's so kailangan here kasi we're doing more shows eh. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you po, Artista. Sama na. Pugi bomba basta pa. Ay, sorry. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Polaroid! Thank you!
Wow.
Kasi, oh my god, oh my gosh! Kasi gusto ko rin Polaroid pictures, bro. Bakit kilala niyo ako? Crazy, no? Wow! Thank you! Paano niyo kalam? Kalam? Meron din letter. Thank you po. Kaman. Charmbondo. Ah, thank you, Charmbondo. Thank you so much, bro. Kilala niyo ako. Crazy.
Here na. Picture kayo mamaya.
Huh?
Picture kayo mamaya.
Also, this kanina. Nakuha ko kanina sa surprise birthday. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, saan gawin na?
This one? Ay. Thank you. Gulat ako! Kakagulat! Tingnan mo. Oh, diba? Ay, wait. Hey, happy birthday! So cute! Thank you po! This is from Ate Earl Joy. She brought it. Aw, thank you! Thank you, Ate Earl Joy. Bakit na ang maninian? My heart, my dear, you are very important. Thank you, Ate Joy. Thank you po. Walaan nyo na lang. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Next we got to Reina Jen from Jarine Weaver. Here you go.
Ay, tapos na pala to.
Ay, bakit yung face? Baka mas-screen. Ay, ayaw. From Jonah. Thank you. May natutuwa sa likod. Letters.
Damn.
I'm excited to read this. Pero sabihin ko na lang yung names for, from Ate Charm and Ate Jonah. From Ate Sunset. From Jarine Official. Sino? Hala, secret. Mysterious siya. From Ate Casey. From RB Jarine Weaver. From Ate Jau Jau aka Kitty Cat. From Ate Jangmi. From JJ of Rain. From, thank you. Mag-read ako nito. Later, after the motion. Bakit laging may like that? Okay. Hey! Happy birthday to you! Thank you po. From Ate Jono. Amazing nito. Thank you. Yay! Marami pang little letters.
Wow, cute.
Oh, thank you.
Sentimental.
I like pa yung mga ganyan. Eh! Wow, tingnan niyo shades. May rain sa gilid. Eh!
Ingit si Kuya.
Eh, yo. Wow! Cool lagi siya.
Wala.
Oo nga. Pag nawala, pakibalik na lang po sa owner.
What is
Please, ha?
Damn.
Oh, I like this.
Nice.
Ang wagay mo sa atin.
Oh. Bakit may ibang, hindi ka rain?
Hindi ka rin.
May rain to oh, rain. Thank you so much. I love it.
Igay mo na lang sa atin.
I-wear ko to. Oo.
Last one.
Yung mga letter.
Last na. Ito na.
Ha? Huwag mo na yan mo.
Hindi. Last final.
From Auntie Jane.
Oo.
Thank you so much. Di kami magagawa-gawa nito, legit. And, Pocket. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. And also pala. Kanina. Meron kayo picture nun?
Na?
Ng star?
Um,
Kanina in the surprise birthday, guys. Crazy talaga. Kasi you guys gifted me ganito. Asan yun?
Wait lang, nung naghanap ako.
But first, let me take a joke. First, guys, tingnan niyo yung cake ko. A piece of the cake kanina. Ay, a piece. A top?
Taas na.
Ang cute. Daming stars. I love it. Yeah, tingnan niyo guys kanina. In the party, you guys surprised me with a big star that consists of. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to Rambo? Bakit tumatakbo kayo? That it consisted of what's that? The big camera. Okay. Wait lang.
180,000.
Wala, na-stuck ako. Patay tayo dyan. Thank you so much, guys! Thank you. The gifts po talaga, thank you po so much. And even coming there's a party, you guys made my birthday special po kahit I'm in Jensen. Di ko in-expect na magkaka-party ako kahit, kahit ang in-expect ko, dinner lang talaga with my family. So, I'm thankful po talaga guys kasi hindi naman yun possible without you guys. So,
Thank you.
I'm so blessed po. And then also, meron akong Kika balls. This is from Jarin. From official team, ano ba? Thank you guys, official team Reindeers, the shippers there. Thank you so much, Ate A, Ate Pat, Mama Bear, Ate Patch, my parents, my brothers. Thank you so much, bro.
Hey.
Yes.
Thank you guys kasi wala talaga ito. My day is so much special talaga. Thank you. I feel so special and I feel so blessed. Thank you po.
See you later.
See you later sa Jensen Mall Show. Thank you. See you guys later. See you guys later in the KCC. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much. Oh, also Lingayen tomorrow. See you guys. Bye-bye. Ay, paano ba? Bye! Thank you, guys. Woo! Hala? I'm 2 million na? Where?
Huh? Where?
Where?
Sure.
I'll check. Bye, guys! Thank you! Bye-bye!
Ito,